Hello guys, today we are doing Try Not to Laugh. And if I fail, if I laugh or grin, or I'll tell you if I grin, I'll be truthful, then you guys will get to choose a punishment. So I would like people to comment down below if they'd like, what they want, and whichever one gets the most likes, I will do. Now, it can't be anything extreme. I don't have a pool. Well, it can be a sort of extreme, but I will tell you if I can do it. Just try it, and yeah. I can really only do things at my grandma's, unless I find another recorder that can actually look at me. But other than that, let's get right into the video. Okay, that wasn't very funny. Try not to laugh and comedy.
Come down here? We are just down here. I'm five seasons of Elmo's worth down here. I'm good, thanks. She's gonna come down here with Elmo? Oh, it's fine down here, Georgie.
My name's not Georgie.
Just come down here. We can have a fun.
This is just freaky.
Yes, down here.
I would just kick him right in the face.
Good, thanks.
Just come down here, you little.
Okay then. Okay, that's just mean. Your mom's gonna like look down and be like, wow. That guy's parkour. Nice, bro. Then he's gonna like, oh my god.
Going through the tree.
Holy.
Ruben, don't do this to me. I need your coin.
Oh, that's a pig.
You may have seen a few people test Flex Seal on a bucket. That's a lot of damage. How about a little more?
Is that it? Oh my god.
That's a lot of damage.
Okay. Yeah, that is.
And then there's Chunky. He's dead.
Oh. Well, may he rest in peace.
Hey, come on in the safe.
Oh, cool. You download the Free Fire?
Yeah. Hold on.
Where
illegal download copyrighted music, I'm taking you in.
Huh.
Pay for music, never legally.
Huh.
My magical, mysterious, floating orb. Ooh, I get the soup ladle.
Wow. Okay. Doing good so far. Wow.
First impression of
Okay.
Minecraft.
Well, I don't know if I should say this at Minecon, but I've got to say that I thought it looked a little pixely, you know,
Okay.
like chunky, like kind of like a.
Hmm.
You know what? I'm about to say it.
This is horrible, right?
About your Fortnite win.
Oh my god. That one. I did it! I won! Try not to laugh. Alright, so this one I'm probably gonna laugh at. But let's
I
just
won't lie.
do it.
This is definitely me when I'm driving.
So close. I was trying not to grin or laugh, but I grinned. Is this? Oh, yep, it says or grin. Okay, so I grinned twice now. That was kind of funny. So you guys have to come up with a punishment for what I've done. Now, thank you so much for watching. Remember to comment what you want me to do down below, and subscribe to my channel and like the video. If this gets over, let's try to get 100 likes. If we get 100 likes, I will do a giveaway on Pet Simulator. So yes, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. Peace.